Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Jenga. It's a very fun game, requires a lot of rectangular blocks, and it's super challenging. The goal is to make it not knock it down and make it as high as you can. Whoever knocks it down loses and is disqualified. If you're playing in a match or like a tournament, it's a very fun game and really challenging. So what you're gonna do is like push one out and stack it on top. So when you stack it, it's go like here, 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 and so it's gonna be like 1, 2, 3 blocks, 1, 2, 3 blocks, and then you're gonna have to like even it out. So like even it out so it's like smooth and there's no holes or anything. And try not to make it fall. So let's dive into it. So what you want to do is find one that's loose and then take it out. Usually the higher you go, the more unloose it is. Ruined it. Wow. He fixed it. I knocked it down. And you can stack on top. Really easy. You can hold it while you're going, and it's very hard. And it's hard to balance it on one in the middle. You guys might have it at home, but at your guys' house, but super challenging. I remember I went at this one place and they had giant Jenga. It was super fun. I couldn't even like fit the 3 blocks in my hand. It was like as big as my arm. So very fun and challenging. Get out. Okay. See what I mean? It's hard to balance it. Oh gosh. Oh. I remember seeing in one of the videos, and it was like only one left, and there's like only like so it took out 2. So one person took out one, and another person took out another, and then they just took out the middle one, and like I thought it was gonna fall down, but it just dropped down without falling. I'm like, what? I'm like, that's impossible, dude! No one can do that. Man, apparently in that field they're able to do that. Oh jeez. Oh my gosh. It's a very fun game. And yeah. Look, this one's super loose. Sometimes I just like doing this. Just pushing it completely out. Oh, dude. Oh my god. Oh, yeah. Oops. Let's lance it. It's too far out. Oh. Just gonna keep playing until it falls. I won I mean, it's not even like this. Oh, this one, wait. Okay, that's not loose. Oh, this one's loose. Noodle ball. Noodle ball. I'm like, I don't want it to fall. Like, I don't want it to fall. In my brain, I don't want it to fall. Yeah, sometimes I just like doing that. Just making it drop. Oh, this one's actually used to. Sometimes when I finish and it's like half of it came off, I just punch the other half. I don't know why, but I like doing that. No! Alright guys, I think it's time to end this video right here. Hit the like button down below. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye!